Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back here to Bullhornbeach. Back from vacation where we actually went to the beach, and now we're back at Bullhorn. I wanted to show you today, a lot of times I go out to the woods and I just want to go camping instead of bushcrafting. You know, I'll still use those skills while I'm out there, and but today I wanted to show you when I go out to go camping, I've got this cool little tent and a simple little system that packs up real nice. You've seen the cot that I use. It actually does fit in a one-man tent. I was going to show you that today. So anyway, here's the system that I use when I go out camping. That's the whole thing. And it's all held together with the Canadian jam knot. Went over that in another video too. So we just loosen that up, pull it off. That's got a sleeping bag, a cot that I picked up at the Army surplus store, and my tent. So the sleeping bag we'll just put aside for now. Get this tent thrown together, and I'll show you how that fits with the cot in there, and why it's a good idea to have a cot when you've got a small tent like this. This is the ALPS Mountaineering one-man tent. I really like it. This was a gift. Luckily I've got family who knows what kind of gifts I like, and so they buy me this kind of stuff. I think it cost about 80 bucks, but my kids gave me this. It comes with this fly, which I probably won't put on today, but that's real good, especially in the wintertime. And it does have vents on the top, so you can let some moisture out of it, which is really nice. Got two corners. It makes it a lot easier to get the cot in the tent once you get it up partially put together. That's good enough for now. Okay, once you get your tent to the ground, get the two stakes in one side of it, that's when I go ahead and put the cot in, because the tent will move around a lot easier before it's all staked out, got the poles on it, things like that. Got a spider wanting to spend the night with me in here. Okay, this does take a little bit of maneuvering, but it will go in there. Okay, so the cot is in. I'm going to get the poles now and get the tent erected. Okay, so we got our poles here, and what I like to do is, that is the end over there that is staked out. So I start on this end. Try to go ahead and put the poles in this end. Okay, so there's one pole. By starting on this end, with the other end staked out, you can pull against those stakes a little bit. It makes it a little easier to get these poles in place, if you need to. Right now it's going on pretty easy. Some people like to hook this on first before they put the poles up. To me it doesn't matter, but you can see how quick this thing goes up. It goes up real fast. Okay, so the tent is up. I've got this little air mattress I picked up at the military surplus store. I think I paid like 15 bucks for it. It fits in there just perfect. I've got this sleeping bag. This is a part of a sleep system. This bag is a 40-degree bag. It comes with an outer layer that's a 20-degree bag. You put them together with these toggles and it becomes a 0-degree bag. So usable in all 4 seasons, one way or another. So anyway, I just throw that in there like that, and I am set up and ready to go. Having this cot in here gives you about 7 inches of storage underneath. As you can see, this is a tight fit for a one-man tent. So what that does is gives me a lot of storage space underneath there. Okay guys, that is my little camping setup that I like to take out in the woods with me. I still practice the bushcraft skills. I enjoy them. But this little tent and cot, storage underneath, is a big plus, and great for any camping. I can camp in all 4 seasons. Throw the rain fly on here and we're good. So thanks again for watching here at Bullhornbeach. We'll see you next time.